I am making a birthday cake today, but not just any birthday cake. I am making a crispy rice treat birthday cake with some orange zest and layered with chocolate hazelnut spread. It's going to be so good. And we're making this for Tim's, one of his best friends, Mr. Mark James. He's been helping us out a lot, doing some work in my in-laws' house, and so this is his birthday week. And so I'm going to make him this crispy rice treat birthday cake. I think he's going to love it, and he can take it with him and share it with whomever he wants to. But it starts with 8 cups of crispy rice, puffed rice, and I'd already measured this out. And then my nod to making this extra special is lots of orange zest. And I'm going to zest 2 oranges because this is a 2-layer cake. And crispy rice treats, actually my mom is a baker and caterer, and she makes all these great things, and she takes them to farmers markets now, and crispy rice treats sell out before anything else. All of the pies, the cookies, the cakes, all this other stuff that she makes, crispy rice treats, her recipe sells out more quickly than anybody else. And the reason I thought about this cake is because a long time ago she actually sent a crispy rice treat birthday cake to one of my daughters because they're really easy to ship, right? She had decorated it, it was so cute, and just sent it packed very well in the mail, and it survived. And this is actually also one of my husband Tim's most favorite desserts, and I made him one of these cakes for his birthday in July, and so his friend Mark is going to get one too. So I'm just going to mix that zest up with this. And this kind of starts like all other crispy rice treats, melting. And this is my mom's secret. More butter than the typical recipe calls for. So there's a stick of butter melting in here along with my marshmallows. And all I need to do is just gently melt the marshmallows. As you know, crispy rice treats all start out the same way. I'm just going to melt that very delicately. I've actually done this in the microwave, and it can be done if you just, do it on like 30-second increments very carefully and watch it. It can be done in the microwave, melting the butter and the marshmallows together. But for this purpose, I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way, in a pot on a stove. Well, my little makeshift stove here. And as soon as those are all melted, all I do is mix it into the orange zest and the crispy rice. This is just about where I need it. I have just a tiny little bit of marshmallows still left in there that haven't fully melted. That's fine, because even if there's a little bit of marshmallow goodness in here that's not fully melted, it's totally good. Vanilla paste, my special addition. I love to use vanilla paste, and it's going to give this even more flavor. The orange zest is phenomenal. And then, this is where you kind of have to work quickly, right? I'm just going to pour all this in here and mix it really well with the crispy rice. I want to make sure I get all of it, because I did use a whole stick of butter in there, so none of that is going to go to waste. Ooh, the scent of orange is hitting me. And this is looking about ready. And you kind of have to work quickly with this, right? So I've lined 2 cake pans with plastic wrap. It's just going to help me get these cakes out easily when the time comes, because they do have to set up just a little bit first. I'm going to try to get as even distribution as possible in both of my pans. Once I have them evenly in both pans, I'm just going to pack them down. The more you pack them, the easier they will be. They're more condensed when they come out. And then I'm also going to take the ends of the plastic wrap and just push down. And do these on both of them, and then we're going to let it set and chill, and then we'll flip them out and decorate them with the chocolate hazelnut spread. I unmolded the first one. The saran, the plastic wrap, made it really easy. And then I'm just gonna layer on some chocolate hazelnut spread and give it a good swooge around to generously coat this layer, and then I'm going to put the other one on top. Make sure you get it all the way to the edges. Then I'll unmold my second layer. Move this aside for just a minute. I'm going to try to center it as much as I can, and then put another layer of the chocolate hazelnut spread on the top. The final crowning glory, well, almost final crowning glory, are a few sprinkles just to make it look festive, right? It's a birthday cake after all. Oh, that's so cute. Sprinkles make anything look festive. And then my happy birthday sign. Here we go. And there we go, my crispy rice treat birthday cake with chocolate hazelnut spread and orange zest.